Good day guys, this video is going to be quick and as usual this is not scripted. I didn't prepare for this, just spur of the moment because that's how I do. And first things first, I just want to tell you that I've been using the ZVE1 and since I don't want it to be scratched because I usually bang my cameras and use it everywhere. So I tried to put on a skin for this one just that I could test it, and this camera is known to overheat. So what happened was I shot a wedding here in Melbourne and that was last month. It's winter, it's like June, or was it this month? It was this month, July, and it's winter here and it's supposed to be cold. And what happened was I was doing some burst shots, like quick shots, like just a few second shots for a wedding. It's just a preparation and I'm not shooting long clips. What happened was at 4K 50, because we're in the PAL region, it's not 4K 60, but at 4K 50 it overheated, so I had to turn it off, turn it on again. So I was a bit annoyed, and so I was thinking that this thing is shit because it overheats right away. I just realized that it has a skin here, and then one of our colleagues told me that she just had placed skins also on her camera, because the thing is she followed me, and the thing is that camera also overheated. It's an A7 IV. So I come into terms like way back. I was shooting a wedding and it was around a long ceremony. It took around an hour or maybe an hour and a half for the ceremony to go, and I was filming on my A1. This was the A1 I was using. I had two A1s, the other one's like bare metal and no skins on it. This one has a skin on it, and guess what? It overheated. So come to terms, I was trying to think things over, and yeah, it's a skin. Of course, it's vinyl, so it covers the camera. Although the body like tries to dissipate the heat, but if you cover it with vinyl, ambient air is not gonna be able to touch it or make it cool, so it overheats. So if you ever have a camera that has skins on it, if you're using it for photos, it's fine, but if you're shooting videos and it's prone to overheating, just make sure that you don't put vinyl stickers on them. For this one, this is mainly my second photography camera. And so I use it for videos, but I usually use it on ceremonies. And ceremonies just go around an hour or maybe 30 minutes sometimes. So this is fine for this camera, but for this camera, which is prone to overheating, it's no good. Even if you film like short bursts, it still overheats. I'm using this camera for vlogging and a bit of B-rolls and everything, so it's not long videos. And for vlogs, I use it at 4K 25, so it should be fine. But if it comes to worse, this camera's gonna overheat a lot of times when I'm shooting weddings. I'm gonna take off the skin because it's not helping. Anyway, that's it for now. Take care, guys.